The D major chord, 3 fingers, the first finger, the second finger and the third finger. And if you look at the guitar chart, and also you can see my fingers here, you'll see where I've got them. The first finger is on the 2nd fret of the G string or the 3rd string. The third finger there is on the 3rd fret of the B or 2nd string. And finally we've got that 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the top E string. The other thing you'll notice about the chord chart is that there are 2 X's. There's an X over the 6th string here and the 5th string. And remember, when you see an X over a chord chart, don't play those strings. What you'll have is a sound like this. A lovely, crisp major chord sound. Beautiful. One of the things I like about this D major chord is how easy I can get from this D to the E major by using this finger here as an anchor and then sliding down 1 fret, keeping the finger on that fret, and then moving over the 2nd, 3rd fingers to the 2nd frets of the A and D string. So, and then the same applies in reverse too. And you'll see the way that that first finger stays anchored onto the fretboard, like so. So just having a look at a little bit of theory now. To make a major chord, or indeed a minor chord, you only need 3 notes. And if you look at the scale of D, we need the first note, which is a D. We need the 3rd note, which is an F sharp. And what we need for the last one is the A. So 3 notes, D, F sharp and A. And that gives us a major triad. And looking on the guitar, well, where are these notes? Well, they're not in the same order as how the stacked triad looks. So what we have here, we have an open D string at the 4th on the 4th string. We have an A, then we have a D, and then finally we get on the top string we have the F sharp. So we don't have it in the same order, but we do have those notes. If you know your strings, you'll know that this here is an A string. The 5th string is an A string. So we could also, theoretically, we can also play that string as well. It does add a little bit of depth to the chord. Don't feel bad about, if you're not dampening that string. It's not a big deal. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to press that notification button as well for more content like this and other guitar lessons for beginners. Now, the alternative version of this chord uses only 2 fingers. It's going to use the first finger and the second finger, like so. The only difficulty is that first finger is kind of doing like a mini bar, like you might find on the easy version of F major. And the second finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the B string. And of course it sounds exactly the same. You can also use the 3rd finger as well instead of the 2nd, and you can use that 2nd finger there to kind of press down to give extra strength to the 1st finger. Now this way here, a little bit more difficult, but it is an alternative. There's no real easier way to play this chord. It also happens to be the way that Ray Davies of the Kinks plays this chord. Now if you're a beginner, learning new chords is great fun, but remembering them can be a bit of a chore. So I always recommend a book like this here. It's a simple reference, and I think it's actually a lot quicker than checking your phone or going online and checking there. So get one of these, brilliant things. Let me know which version of the D you play. If you're not busy now, why not check out the lesson on E major here or the A major here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.